that the AI Summit protest case has been transferred to the Delhi Police Crime Branch now. The Interstate Crime Branch will now be investigating this matter further. My colleague Ananya is bringing us that detail. Ananya, we do know how this matter has gone to states like Himachal Pradesh, where several of these T-shirts have been found, and that's why this transferring of the case to the crime branch?
Well, absolutely. In fact, this is the interstate cell of the crime branch that would be probing this particular case as far as the printing of these T-shirts and the kind of protests that erupted at the AI summit are concerned. And that is exactly, why, since it's a multi-state probe now, hence the Delhi police has transferred the matter to the crime branch's interstate cell. And that is exactly why it becomes much more significant, because the crime branch deals with high-profile cases. It deals with cases that have a multi-pronged approach, and that's exactly why how this case is being taken very, very seriously. You can very clearly see how the Ministry of Home Affairs and, in fact, the Delhi police is taking it very seriously to pursue this one, since it was a disruption at a global level. And this is not being said by the police or the lawyers. It has been stated by the court in its order when the four protesters were actually produced before it, and very clearly the court had gone on to say that this was an attempt to tarnish the image of the country on a global level itself.
Right, absolutely, Ananya. You have also spoken to the council of the IYC, and they are mentioning that this sort of a disproportionate treatment is what is being meted out to all the leaders and also the president of the Youth Congress now. The particular case that they will now be following from here on, now that this matter is with the interstate team of the crime branch, anything that you are learning in that regard?
Well, as far as the crime branch is concerned, the case would be transferred, the files would be sent, and a multi-pronged team of the crime branch's interstate cell would actually be probing this particular matter. So how will that proceed is something that we'll have to wait and watch for. How does the Delhi police, who would be the officers, is something we'll get to know in a bit. But very clearly, this decision to transfer this matter to the crime branch interstate cells makes it very, very clear that the Delhi police is taking this very, very seriously. They are using their best investigators to actually churn out the larger conspiracy, as they say. In fact, in an earlier hearing, Reha, it was stated by the public prosecutor, Mr. Atul Srivastav, before the court that, this was a situation that was to be created alike to the Gen Z protests that erupted in Nepal and Bangladesh. And that is something, that is a kind of a thing that was to be created, and that is exactly why the Delhi police is taking this very, very seriously. A multi-state probe being sent to the interstate cell of the crime branch makes it amply clear as far as the intent of the Delhi police to probe this matter is concerned.